How to solve Terabox app network connection. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet, that is either to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try opening a browser or any other app to confirm the connectivity. Also, scroll down to the bottom and find the Terabox application and make sure the toggle button for background app refresh is toggled on. See if the issue was fixed or not. If not, you can restart the app. Restart the app by swiping up and exiting the app along with all the apps running in the background, and open Terabox again and see if that fixes your issue. If not, restart your device, as restarting the device fixes majority of connectivity issues on your iPhone. You can also check for app updates. To check, go to your app store and search for Terabox and see if there is an update available. If so, update the app, and by now your Terabox application should be working just fine. So, this is how you can solve Terabox app network connection. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.